Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka Double Styles, and welcome back to my channel. We will be doing another Outre wig. Y'all already knew that. I didn't even have to tell y'all because y'all already knew that. So we're doing a Sleeklay lace front wig, and it is from Outre, like I said, and her name is Genevieve. I've been trying to figure out for so long how to say this name right. I'm gonna put it right here because I can't, y'all can't see it, but we have it in Rome Irish Coffee, and I love this wig because I really like the colors of it. It definitely reminds me like of coffee with the creamer, how it's like blondish at the front and it goes down to like a chocolate color. I'm gonna show y'all so y'all can see what I'm saying. Okay, if we can get her out. Oh, and as a wig reviewer, I must say, like, read the stuff about Sleeklay lace front wigs. What is a Sleeklay part? More hand-tied lace near the part creates a sleek, flat look. Get a humpless laid finish with no heat styling required. So basically, it shouldn't have no humps. It should just be flat like this side. Not this side, but this side. This is our card. This is her, and I got the one right here with her right here because her picture was amazing, and I loved how it was giving life. And so I was like, yeah, that's it right there. And when you open up the card, there she is even more, looking fabulous and gorgeous. And there's several different colors you can choose from. And 22 inches, so it goes from this blonde color all the way down to this chocolate brown color. And I'm nervous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm so nervous because I hope I look really, really good in it. But at the same time, like, I'm excited for it because if I look good in it, baby, it's a wrap. And y'all know if I look good in a wig, I need to be going somewhere. Where am I gonna go? I don't know. But if I look good, baby, we gotta show me off. We gotta show the world my new wig, okay? So, yeah. So this is Genevieve right here. And she has this yucky natural wave look. And she is 22 inches. This is the lace. This is the sideburns right here. And then we have 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, okay? So, I'm gonna cut this and then I'm gonna put it on my head and then I'm gonna do my edges, okay? Okay, so this wig is kind of reminding me of like Christina Aguilera, the old school 90s Christina Aguilera with the dirty blonde and the dark coloring with the blonde rich color at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if I know what I'm saying, but I know what I'm saying. But you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I really love this color. This wave, I love this wave. Like, I didn't know this was gonna be like this. And I'm not mad at it at all. Like, I really love it even more. I really don't know, like, am I supposed to do anything about this? But I think it's just blonde. It just looked like there's no part because it's just blonde. And I'm just not used to, like, an all blonde, like, part. So, I don't think I'm supposed to do anything to it. I think it's good how it is. This hair looks good. I look good. The hair is very soft and easy to put your fingers through. And I was going to brush it, but I feel like put my fingers through it is just perfect enough, okay? And it's not getting tangly or nothing. Okay, look at the back. Tell me how the back look. Tell me how the back look. What y'all think? I really love this. I'm so glad I got it because I was really like over here nervous, like, what if this blonde don't look right on me? What if? But I love it. And I didn't spray no spray. FYI, I didn't do anything to it, but This is my first time brushing through it. That's about it. And it's easy. It's easy. And it lays flat exactly how it said it was going to do. Lay flat. Look fabulous. Barely any work needed. I love it. I love it. Now, just let me put on a cute outfit, though. When I put on a cute outfit, it's really going to seal the deal. Because y'all can't see the full, like, potential it has with this shirt on. You know, like, this calls for a look, honey. A whole fabulous look to go with a fabulous wig. And the crazy thing is, I'm normally not, like, a big fan of this type of wave. But with the color together, combination of the ombre, it's really giving what it's supposed to give. Okay? I'm trying to look like the girl in the picture. This girl right here. I want my hair to look like that. Like this. Let that hair flow like the wind. Put y'all comments below and tell me what y'all think. Like, would y'all get this wig? Would you get this color? If not, what color would you get? First off, would you get it? That's the first question that you need to ask yourself and tell me in the comments below. Would you get this? Is this your type of wave? Is this your type of style? Would you rock it? Could you see yourself stepping out the box and getting you this Rome Irish coffee color? Because, honey, I love it. I think this wraps up the video because I honestly don't know what else to say. Like, I don't know what else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you feeling this or not. Thank you for showing love to your girl. And I will see you in the next video. Okay? Peace.